Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can go offline and how you can hide your activity on Roblox. So there are two ways. You can either go completely offline or you can just turn off your activity, but you're still online. So go to more and go to settings, go to privacy and content restrictions. Then you're going to go to visibility and private servers. Go to visibility, online status, no one, show current experience, no one. Is going to turn this off automatically, but you can just turn the online status on, but the current experience to no one. So yeah, that is pretty much it really. You can also turn this off, share activity updates, allow friends to receive updates about your recent activity and experiences. You're also able to turn that off if you'd like to. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click that thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.